So in this video, you'll learn how to turn a SIM card on or off on your Samsung Galaxy A26, A36, and A56. So if you want to temporarily disable a SIM card, whether you no longer want to receive phone numbers, you don't need to use a SIM card, or you're just having issues with it and you want to take it to your carrier, and before that you want to turn it off, then all you need to do is simply open Settings. Under Settings, tap on Connections, and then select the option SIM Manager. From here, once it's loaded, you should be able to see all the SIM cards that you currently have added on your phone. In order for you to disable a SIM card, it's fairly simple. Just tap on the toggle next to the SIM card to turn it off. You'll need to confirm that you do wish to turn off the SIM card, because bear in mind this will stop any phone calls, messages from being delivered onto your phone. So once you're ready, just tap on turn off and simply wait for the process to complete itself. Once you've done that, you'll notice that your SIM card has now been successfully disabled on your device. So you can go ahead and fix any issues that you previously had with it. But if you've decided that you want to turn on your SIM card, whether you accidentally turned it off or you fixed any issues and you want to turn it on, then all you need to do is just tap on the toggle next to the SIM card again, and then confirm that you wish to turn on the SIM card. Wait a few minutes as it's recognized by your device. And once it's been recognized, you can now go ahead and use the SIM card for any phone numbers, messages, or even mobile data on your phone. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.